Good morning, dear students. We were doing lesson working with operating system. Let us start. Firstly, creating a new folder. In your computer, you want to make a new folder. Even last time I told you what is the file system and folder system. Folders are used to store the files, and if you want to make a new folder, right click on the desktop, means you have to move your cursor or arrow on the desktop in the blank area and right click there. After that, new option will come to you. Select that, and after that you have to select folder option. New folder will come to you. Next one is renaming, means by default the folder will be created, its name will be folder 1, and you have to change its name. For changing the name, you have to select the rename. How? Bring that arrow on the folder and right click. Rename option will come to you and select that option. After that, whatever the name you want to give that name from the keyboard. Next one, moving or copying file from one drive to the another. Last time I told you that what are the drives. Drives are the partitions of the hard disk, means you can divide your memory location into the different partitions like C drive, D drive, E drive. And suppose you want to copy or move file or folder from the one drive to the another, what you have to do? Firstly, open that drive and select that file or folder. After that, in the organize, select cut. I am showing you. Select the file and go to organize. Menu will come to you. In that, if you want to copy, you can copy, or you want to move, then cut it. After cutting it, in which location you want to move, in which drive you want to move, open that drive and paste it. By right clicking, you can paste it. As I told you that you can move from one drive to the another, or you can copy also. In the same way, you can move or copy from one folder to the other folder also. You have to open that folder and select the file or subfolder of that folder. Select it, cut it if you want to move, otherwise you can copy, and in the other folder you want to move, paste it there. Deleting file or folder, select the file. After that, from the keyboard you can press delete key. A confirmation message will come to you, and if you want to delete from the mouse, right click on that file and option will come to you, delete. From there you can also delete. And in the organize also one option is there, delete. From there you can also delete. Searching a file or folder, suppose you have forgot the name of the file or folder, you don't know where it is located, you can search it. For that, you have to click on the start and click on the search option, and you can give the name of file. It will show you the location of that file or folder. Even you can use the wildcards also for searching. Now question is, what are the wildcards? Star and question mark, two characters are used as the wildcard. Star, firstly star. Suppose you want to search the files or the folders starting with the L character. In that case, what you have to write? L star dot star. Star is used for a group of the all files, means all the files starting with L name will be searched. And question mark, question mark is used for a particular character. For example, you want to search all the files having only 3 characters. What you will do? You will put 3 question marks. All the files having 3 characters will be searched. Dear students, whatever I taught you, if you have any question, you can contact me. Thank you.